Meaning of fault.
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 Fault. Fault refers to a failure or defect in something, often resulting in the inability of the object or system to function as intended. In certain contexts, it may also refer to a mistake or wrongdoing. The result of a fault can be anything from a minor inconvenience to a major disaster depending on the severity of the fault and the context in which it occurs. The consequences of a fault may include financial losses, personal injury, damage to property or infrastructure, or even loss of life. Therefore, it is essential to identify and address faults promptly to prevent further harm or negative impact.